Hi, Mslynn. Hi, Mslynn. Y'all want to be ignorant? I can't adjust. I'm going to give you the tea. All right.
Come here.
I have not fooled with lace in so long. Let me just make sure I ain't lost my touch. What's up, family? It's your girl, Mary Kay.
Hi, Mary.
I'm coming to you today with with hopefully a slate. Y'all, I have not fooled with lace in so long. Let me just make sure I ain't lost my touch. You know what I'm saying? Because you can lose your touch after a while now. See how the sun, you see this? Whew. I'm gonna try to keep this under control, but I can't adjust what the clouds gonna do when they're gonna jump in front of the sun. I can't adjust that. So what I was saying was, I gotta check just to make sure I ain't lost my lace touch. So I've actually never worked with this company before, so this is my first time working with them. I'm gonna give you the tea. We gonna get into this wig right after, like directly after. I show love to my subscriber of the day. Bam. You are so the bomb. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. Join the family, join the fun, because it's 2021. Let's go. Okay, so this is a wig from Mslynn. This is a new arrival that they have. HD transparent lace wig, 180% density, 4x4 lace closure wig, pre-plucked body wave. Closure wigs are a lot less work than frontal wigs and full wigs, and they're a lot cheaper. Come on, somebody. When you want to save you a buck or two, or even a little more, shopping for that lace wig, get you a 4x4. Hi, Mslynn. Hi, Mslynn. Get y'all some asthma. Oh, and on the back, they show you how to wash the wig. So they're giving you directions. Okay. Oh, they sent me some nail stickers. Nail art stickers. Thank you. Some little lashes and a eyebrow brush. All right. That's all right. They sent me some elastic. Oh, I got 250% density. Come on now. Natural color, 18 inch. Okay, so this is nice and pretty. Pretty waves, nice and soft. I may throw some curls in the front and get ignorant on y'all today. Y'all want me to get ignorant on y'all today on the styling? Y'all want to be ignorant? Because we can do that. We'll turn it out. This is the 4x4 closure. As you see right here, this is the hairline. It's pre-plucked. You can pluck more if you want to, but it is plucked pretty nicely. Now, this is HD lace. HD lace is supposed to melt no matter what your complexion is. This is supposed to just melt. So we gonna see. Because y'all know I'll tint my lace in a minute if it don't look right. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 combs. An adjustable strap. Let me just throw this on and kind of see where we at with it. Honey, my gloss was like,
come here.
And I'm not going to attach anything right now. I'm just putting it on to see what we working with. I already know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna just kind of get to it. But as you can see, when you are customizing, like even if you do want to pluck, it's only a little bit, 4 inches that you have to pluck instead of the whole hairline. That is the perk. Yeah, I kind of just want to get to it. I'm gonna get to it because we're gonna do some styling today, y'all. Let's see if we can work this, Mslynn, and let's see about this HD lace. Information will be in the description box, y'all. Let's see what we can do with it, all right? Hold on, y'all, real quick.
To the beach, wait, I met this girl when I was 12 years old. Give her everything, just shot of the world. Gonna get a grip every time. I tried to hold on, I slipped deep in this feeling that gravity pulls me down. I know I'm tripping, I'm falling in love with her drum breaks. She keep me safe from the gunplay when I'm hungry. She feed my soul when I'm lonely. She keep me company. It's funny. I used to wanna grow older, travel with sight in these rhymes. So they realize that she got me out of my mind. I'm trying to kick these nerves to grab hold to the microphone. Got him nodding along. Maybe she'll save the world for me. Maybe she'll right my wrongs if I'm coming on too strong. Oh well, only way to tell is by saying just how I feel, and that's real. Special for me. You got what I want, you got what I need. just alright. I know I'm lying to myself, pardon my wishful thinking. Still fly from head to trinkets, afraid of blinking. Can't even miss a second of the blessings. I'm living messy, like every minute is a gift, it's a pleasure. Let's get together, let's spin us a smooth forever. Wait, pick up your mood, I know I lack the direction. Skipped on class at a lecture, busy trying to get it together. Something clever, my notes are tethered to the reckless behaviors with good intentions. Smolder incense, good riddance to negative energy. Let peace, love, and serenity spill for me. None as ill as me, truth be told, barely real as me. How I let feelings loose on loose leaf. Murder the goose beat, shout to Mills on the cool keys. Ooh, she's feel like a cool breeze. Near the ocean tide, from the cove to the globe wide. With an open eye and a smile, feel like everything might turn out to be fine. I know I'm tripping, I'm falling in love with the drum breaks. She keep me safe from the gunplay. When I'm hungry, she feed my soul. When I'm lonely, she keep me company. It's funny, I used to wanna grow older, travel with sight in these rhymes. So they realize that she got me out of my mind. I'm trying to kick these nerves to grab hold to the microphone. Got him nodding along. Maybe she'll save the world for me. Maybe she'll right my wrongs. If I'm coming on too strong, oh well. Only way to tell is by saying just how I feel, and that's real. Just alright, I know I'm lying to myself, pardon my wishful thinking. Still fly from head to trinkets, afraid of blinking. Can't even miss a second of the blessings. I'm living messy, like every minute is a gift, it's a pleasure. Let's get together, let's spin us a smooth forever. Wait, pick up your mood, I know I lack the direction. Skipped on class at a lecture, busy trying to get it together. Something clever, my notes are tethered to the reckless behaviors with good intentions. Smolder incense, good riddance to negative energy. Let peace, love, and serenity spill for me. None as ill as me, truth be told, barely real as me. How I let feelings loose on loose leaf. Murder the goose beat, shout to Mills on the cool keys. Ooh, she's feel like a cool breeze. Near the ocean tide, from the cove to the globe wide. With an open eye and a smile, feel like everything might turn out to be fine.